G'day, here we go. We're at the Kingsway, ready for the drag event for the day. Pretty cloudy day, but hopefully the rain will hold off. We've got a few cars here. We've got a big car. We've got my outlaw car, the DR10M, with the Tekken 4-pole motor. Nice little Exotech alloy gearbox, and test that out today. We've got a few cars going today. Kai's the killer, I reckon. Might have his money today. We'll just have to wait and see, you know. And just wait till he's not watching and, you know, loosen the wheelie bar back. Sure, I can get away with it. We got the cane toads. The north side contingents. Look at him working away. What do you got to say for yourself?
When's lunch?
Oh, well, you know, Brad normally brings KFC. I'm a bit disappointed today. We got Cooper, the Narara kneecapper. He's back with Dan. The Carnival of Carnage on that one. Oh, we got... There you go. New body, got to get it. Has it been flipped yet? Oh, it has. Oh, Bryce. He's done a top spin forehand and flipped it. When's tennis start? Next week or? Jerbies. And the Big Bear back again for some retribution from last time. No hitting telegraph poles or light poles today.
Well, that's the aim of it. Just try not to,
This guy, his car has finished top speed and hit that pole all the way down there. Oh, carnage is happening already. Got some cool setups here. Castle tent we're in. Oh, hang on, we got another one, you know, something different.
They don't make 13.5. So.
Yep. Yeah, too easy. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Versus Brad. Ooh. Ooh. Kai versus his dad Lindsay. We got Figs left lane, Lindsay right lane, Outlaw 2.
Drivers ready. Watch the light.
Oh, I blew out on the right side. Here run. We got Benny versus Brett.
Drivers ready. Watch the light.
Red light, left lane.
Oh, Ben, nice. Yeah. Left lane just got it. Got Will versus Kai in Outlaw 2.
That's what I just said.
Here we go. Oh, you had him. We got Cole and Lynn and Glenn ready to go.
Drivers ready. Watch the light.
Oh, Cole. Lindsay and Figs. Outlaw 2 final. Mark. Oh. Yeah, finished the day. I got a PB of 205, which was really good. Racing was really bad though. Didn't really have much luck. Popped an ESC on the 2.5 car, and now we've got the timing system out. So as you can see here, yeah, look like an Oompa Loompa. You got Ben set up the timing system. We've had Glenn have a run. Keffs just done a 1.5, and Will's having a go. So yeah. We'll see how far difference there is between the GNSS and the timing system. If I can do a 205, hopefully that's a 1.9 something on a timing system. Starting a trend, eh? It does help to turn them on, but you know, it's getting late. It's been a long day. There goes the body. Oh! Taking off. Yeah. Oh, she's off. Oh, far out. Oh. Glenn testing. Oh, pushing it. We're out the Kingsway. Dan helped me out. Keff, Benny Bray. We got the computer tune, the radio tune, the EC settings, and I've got a 1.9 for the first time. Bloody stoked. Let's keep going and see how we go.